Right, so Vargur sin dhéint nach cin an bhí neach go am dhéon Elden Ring an bein game idir bhfuil luat in féh.
You made a mistake when you came for Barith, Makiva.
Oh, gods! You
The
planned
wounds came from above. A taller opponent, with deep cuts from the front. The Northman's assault served no Irish master.
Bullscat! If you had any Norse loyalty, you'd be like me, running the filthy god-eaters from the island. The King of Dublin should look out for Vikings, not try to make nice with those cunts who killed our forebears. Join me. I could use those earballs. And the silver is...
Let's go. We get mad and pretty good. Kabika is good. Realistic, you know, Capiche had down your gear, you go gammy him for the line, Joe. I think they're called man and pretty good. I hate you, look at that lived and just a fear shit got you.
silver is good.
Be silent, and I might show you mercy.
Wel, mae rhaid i ni sy'n byd yn first time college gyda Eirín mi amachat y rhai. Version. Yeah. I really I had all I hope game can go you for me clear Mass Effect Andromeda, my spending in Durst mission I can try part of first pick your eye from Irish game can Mass Effect I had the Alexia written needs nach aan I guess I'm clear Kajak Metroid Metroid Zero Mission and a remake Jenna Hate Metroid. The Scorching Room I made Metroid Fusion of League, Super Metroid. So I'm fair to get a get Hate game as a straight of League I guess Speed Port Metroid Prime Run I mean I'm here Martian, yeah, had you and the game is in a quarter room to the Hammy Hansen Karen say a in cash you been on had done back to virtue in Canada to Rhythm game Metroid Prime K hit a key 3 me hain inch of me ancient virtue good job had done your camping go to good fashion fist me in Karen Metroid Prime Trilogy remasters on a Switch agus vi sin lemma. The Mass Effect remastered had the chluich as mi Jenna Feud-ish agus can mi far astray
Delivered to your judgment, King Barith.
Thorstein, author of the plot to waylay me and my cousin.
Well, you know how it is, Bardish. A fellow needs some silver. A king could fetch Dublin's treasury in ransom. Although I'm not certain you'd bring in quite so much.
Say so, Barith, and I will cut out his insolent tongue.
On your feet, Thorstein. You bloody my floors. It is a weighty decision. I would have my closest friend advise me. Eivor? How shall I deal with this ruffian?
The werk chat. A dignified execution, a brutal death, a display of cruelty. J.H. McGeary. Aye, can you have me a Mass Effect remastered to click hast? Nu de hoshich a lockdown, click me Mass Effect ga elish. So mar sin hen me really a farakin me and Chile click bedrast or click me a hum miesene. Ach is kindjak een gleich is 4 an Mass Effect. Me your song click it an Xbox good you can click me at a piece. Nu ga kuch den mods beklachtu. But had Chinamach le mods inchinach. Agus go mi hen Connie or son femship a chluich ach a Vienna romance like Tally ach nu get Chinianu brutal death cashed. Ach nu get Chinianu so gama cashed. so gleich hí sin achas císe an clúich mé camera cá an air is hanig cuas da Idir an gluich mé camera cá an air is fíorthall na ceim Mass Effect. When we ddíireach mus a háisí sin na cat ha video úr lessons from the screenplay YouTube an a channel in the Charlam agus sé video mi ein Game of Thrones agus Mass Effect haun agus ha lemma so ballin sin commode. Right, brutal death. I was mentioning sin a genuine action.
You must show all Dublin that your justice is swift and harsh. A miserable, drawn-out death will make it clear.
Well said, Eivor.
I want no blood feud lasting generations, Thorstein. You are not worth the bother. Dublin confiscates your land and silver. I banish you forevermore.
I really tell you, can you?
Bend the knee and show your thanks.
Best to you, King. I've better places to be than Dublin.
Father! Why choose weakness?
Give every enemy a length of rope. Soon they will carry your noose.
Peace. Flann Sinna will soon rule all Ireland. Flann Sinna has the power to make or undo my kingship and that of my son. He is the center of all. But Flann distrusts me. He does not believe I'm truly Christian. By showing Christian mercy, I begin to change his mind.
You are more shrewd than I took you for, cousin. Maybe Thorstein's release is worth a kingdom, but will mercy be enough?
That is why I must build trade. Flann will see that the strength of Dublin's ports is the strength of Ireland.
Show him the power of that trade, cousin. Obtain some rare item from afar. Some spice or gem or weapon.
And gift it to him at the coronation. It will represent Dublin's reach and help secure my crown.
Flann will hear of your Christian mercy. Meantime, I will speak to Asar about a gift.
Meet me before the coronation. We will go together.
Okie. Arak chill. Mass Effect the game can share them mechanic just be a down and breed me in your son quickly in high rich yeah shouldn't root we got heen but right at Joe less sanasach but nu de haneke mag we misschien hier maar veel misschien gelijk een draaste dus een cat meer de vriesjes zo kan je misschien gelijk een draaste iets ik is geen job in GKS have an appreciate sinna rid garis le gaimchin with the Xbox or PlayStation bí príseach a dal sios sin na gaimchin Switch had díra fánaí na Costco ach no leis sin ará mé éichen son Muhrichit a coig not ha so be facia is good na soda harna miasan agus higher lemma ach mis muid go go draasta can mi really ar son gamichin a chluich a ha rá ata agus sinna rhythmi in a Mass Effect trilogy sé gohfuil canach bí gamichin fata so I was such a big fan of this get if he Jishal like it's Johnach Nahur and Fatish and Nahuran.
Eivor, welcome to my shop.
I came to ask a favor.
It is pleasant to strengthen friendships. What do you seek?
Barith wishes to show Flann the value of Dublin's trade. Could we obtain a gift from a distant land?
This is the very problem vexing me. You see, I have acquired land in Rathdown, previously owned by Thorstein, in fact. But the land has gone to Thornendog, smugglers as well. Once cleared, its trading route will serve our heart's desire.
In this case, my heart desires an exotic gift, which would be...
A spice merchant I know covets pelts of fine fur. Rathdown has an abundance. It is a perfect match.
Spice is a gift fit for a king. Thank you, Asar.
I never
It
really...
is north of here. You go clear it of smugglers while I sit on my ass. No need for thanks.
I never really uair come an cuit den
I should journey there.
quest mar seo. Na cean na fetch quests really hala nú gan áte seo agus fáirt gin gá. First mód anam a hadíach san is get ein agus cin Jacob at ar fáil sa gin dal. Gut go gem sin a stray an túlas a seach go rathdain.